Good evening. The former President of India, Shri Pranab Mukherjee, passed away today. He was considered to be a troubleshooter. He played very crucial role as far as India is concerned, and he served in various capacities. And at the end, he also served as the President of India, starting from the year 2012 up to 2017. And we pay our tributes to that great personality. And I would like to share few points with you with respect to Shri Pranab Mukherjee. Let me open the document. So these are our tributes to the legend from the students, staff and management of Kalyan Sir online IAS.com. Look at this. You must be aware of this great personality, considered to be a troubleshooter. Whenever Congress party was there in crisis, his role was immense at every step. With his vast knowledge of post-independence political history and governance, Pranab Mukherjee remained a key figure and active participant in shaping the course of India's development. He has knowledge in various subjects like the history, the governance, the its economics, the international relations, and vast knowledge. From the year 2004 up to 2012, Shri Pranab Mukherjee played a key role in critical decisions of the Dr. Manmohan Singh led government on various issues that are related to right to information, food security, as well as the setting up of the Uday and the Metro Rail project. Prime Minister was Dr. Manmohan Singh, and he was completely supported by Shri Pranab Mukherjee to get the party and the government out of the troubles every time. And last but not least, we all know that the greatest honor that is given in India is Bharat Ratna. And last year, meaning in the year 2019, Shri Pranab Mukherjee was conferred with India's highest civilian honor, Bharat Ratna. Very, very, very important one. And since he was a great personality, he will be remembered for a long period of time. And it may be a question on this great personality in any examination, like in which year he was conferred with highest civilian honor, that is Bharat Ratna. Answer is 2019. Look at this. His tenure as the president will stand out for the tough stance he took on mercy petitions. Look at this. When he was the president, 34 mercy petitions were presented to him. 34 mercy petitions were presented to him, and out of that he rejected 30. That shows how tough he was. And so this is the legend. He leaves us. He left today, but will be remembered forever. And may his soul be rest in peace. And I thank you one and all for joining me for paying tributes to the legend. Thank you so much.